Okay guys, check this out. We're at a chocolate farm. Okay, it's not really chocolate, it's cacao. This is in Chiang Mai. The trees are fairly young, but lots of fruit on. We'll go take a look around. The young fruit. This place sells all kinds of stuff. You could buy the seedlings as well, the little trees. You see all through here. It's interesting how they got the straw to protect the roots. They grow coffee here as well, avocados, and they're drying coffee inside. Got quite a lot of it. I guess you need a lot of it, but I don't know where the coffee trees are. But a chocolate tree sounds like an awesome idea. Look at the size of the leaves. I haven't seen this. Wow, those leaves are big. I haven't seen these trees in Thailand before. But I've seen really, really old trees in Bali. Really, really big. Wow. That's flowers. Cool. Maybe it's a continuous harvest. That would be pretty awesome. Look how many there are. This is not a huge area, but there sure is a lot of trees in here. They grow really big limes here. Huge there. I got some. I'd say nearly the size of a grapefruit. Oh, all kinds of young trees on this side. Over here, the trees are bigger. We'll see what the fruit looks like. Cool place, man. They got coffee shop and all that stuff here. Like, this is a tourist place, and all kinds of chocolate stuff for sale. Wow, that looks different. Look how many they are. They're pretty small. All the way up too. Cool. A lot more leaves on this side. These are a long ways from. They turn yellow when they're ready to harvest. That's a good size one right there. I assume there's many different varieties of cacao, like there is with everything. This little one's turning yellow. That's really small. Wow, these are a different color. Almost reddish purple. Look at that. Cool, huh? I'm gonna go all the way up. Some of these trees have been cut back hard. Maybe that's what they need. Oh, here's a nice, oh, a couple of nice yellow ones. This one looks almost ready. There's his partner. The little ones at the top. There's another one. Bit small, this one, but it looks ready. Cause that one's jammed in there. That's cool. There's some more. There's another yellow one, really small. Yellow one up there. Oh, these are a lot bigger. These are the ones I saw when I walked in. Oh, that's it, guys. A first for me in Thailand. Like I say, I've seen them before, but really old trees. Really big trees. This tree don't look so good. These are real small. Pretty cool. Never know what you're going to find when you go exploring. Wow, that's a big leaf. That's a big leaf. And a little baby tree. There's some lines up here. Oh yeah, these are the ones. Eureka lemon. The Eureka lemon, that's what they're called.
Oh, офигеть. Офигеть.
They're not the most beautiful.
Вон, присядь, лавочка для тебя.
So lots on. Lots and lots and lots on. Alright guys, well that's it. Some baby ones. As always, thanks for watching. Tamarind trees. There's an old line of very mature tamarind trees. Oh, it goes all the way around the property. All those big trees, eh? Do believe most of them anyway. They sell these in the coffee shop. That's where I got mine at. Check this beauty out. Unbelievable. It's actually licensed for the road too. Looks immaculate.
พอก็ได้เลยบัส
เดี๋ยวจอดไว้ข้างนอกก็เขาว่า
พอก็ได้เลยบัส
Awesome size, yeah. Look at that.